Hi, I'm Chris Baker Jr.
Hi, I'm Chris Baker Sr. We're from CNC Heating and Air Conditioning. And the long, boring story is we started with my father I came in 1983. He had one truck, and he let me have the freedom to keep on growing in the industry. He came in maybe, 10 years ago, part-time?
Yeah.
And it is ball now.
Yeah, we're having fun. It's cool being the third generation. Today we had Wales-Darby out doing a little demonstration for us on the A.O. Smith combi boiler, the tankless, and all the different pumps and zone valves they came out with. It's really great. We never have the chance to get our guys hands-on training like that. It's really great to be able to do this, especially during these times. So thank you, Wales-Darby.
Yeah, good job. Thank you.
Today we're going to be going over some of our wiring. We also have the A.O. Smith combi boiler, and then we're going to finish off with the A.O. Smith live fire tankless. All right. So here we are. We have our combi water heater / boiler, and what this unit does basically is it provides us the ability to provide space heating, and also at the same time you have the ability to for domestic hot water as well. Down here we have our supply and our return, and right in between the supply and the return we actually cut in a T, closely spaced T's, 2 T's, and in between that space is the place where we can kind of make up the pressure of the system.
I would probably wire it normally closed because this will stay closed as long as we don't have the indirect or your domestic energized. Once the indirect is energized, so my wiring switch and normally close and open.
On a few minutes after you turn the water on, the hot water heater kicked on, right? Yep. So let's turn it up, give it another demand. What's our flow rate at? 3.7. 3.7. Let's turn another one on. What's our flow rate at? 4.5. That's a 540, guys. That's 3 shower heads. That tells you that 540 can handle 3 showers.